Spanish for him. The restaurant there.
Oh, that's cool.
That's really cool.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch your children. And remember, no black pictures. Now off.
That's kind of cool to have like Mexico and Epcot.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Riley had a quick little power nap. They have one here and in Mexico too.
Good job.
Very good. In Mexico, in Disney World. This is like the one in Mexico. You're right. Girl.
Yo ho, yo ho.
Are you scared? No, you shouldn't be scared. It's okay. You read your books.
You okay, baby? Right.
Where's Bobby?
You want them?
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, hold on. Daddy, quickly. I got you, Daddy. Hold on.
Yeah.
It be too late to alter colors, baby.
Okay.
And I'll be thundering my
A little button.
All done, that's it.
All done. Yo, ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo, ho, a pirate's life for me. Yay! That's it. I don't think there's any more now. I think so. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you did good.
Right? That's awesome.
You know what they make the cobwebs out of?
Wow.
Hot glue. Hot glue with like a blow dryer, so you like blow dry the hot glue.
That makes
It makes it
sense.
look like cobwebs.
Oh,
Fun fact.
yeah.
I love you.
Where your head was, I
No,
love it.
it's over. It's over the minute maid, so I need water.
You have the lap? You have the lid?
I have the lid.
Oh, that's
You have the lid?
not the lid.
Yeah,
I didn't know
I had the lid.
You left.
It's okay.
There you go.
Well, you have spoons there too.
Properly warned ye be, says I. Who knows when that evil curse will strike the greedy beholders of this bewitched treasure. Dead men tell no tale. Perhaps he knows too much. He's seen the cursed treasure. You know where it be. Now proceed at your own risk. These be the last friendly words. You may not survive past this.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow. What's it in? Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum. Bring me Captain Jack Sparrow. I'll be sending you the day we
We're going to sink your ship!
Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground! Set up your white flag, you scurvy scum! Bring me
Like the leather aloft, lady! Spare me, Captain Jack Sparrow's treasure, you filthy!
I see Jack. And he's hiding.
The children want the room. Don't you?
Now, you scurvy skunk! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10! Hot down!
Your feathers, baby. You're smart.
When ears stand in, only me what's got the guns. Keep still. I'm studying me map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never be out.
It's like you being chasing each other in the picture.
I say grab his ears. Look him over to the nurse. Go now, hold it on. Around, I say.
Like back to your side. I think it goes back to your side.
Just a
I
second.
think that's where all the
That's brilliant.
stuff is.
Kylie awake now? Kylie awake now? Yeah.
One of my many shipmates lost at sea. Salute, mes amis. Drink up, me hearty yo-ho. Rascals and scoundrels, villains and knaves. Drink up, me hearty yo-ho. The devils of action, really many. Drink up, me hearty yo-ho. Tell the world you set sail with Blackbeard.
When next you say, David
We're back up to the top. They had to bring us back up to the top, okay? All right, we're all done. Only my right knee. That was really good fun.
It was. It was. It was, yeah.
Have a seat.
Behind, doing a pirate.
Oh,
We're gonna get them up.
incoming.